These massive objects form the front end of a tunnel boring machine. Together, they weigh the equivalent of 190 mid-sized cars and just arrived from Germany. It's going to dig a water supply tunnel underneath the Fraser River from Surrey to New Westminster. The tunnel will be built to withstand a major earthquake. It's part of Metro Vancouver's work to ensure there's enough water for the fastest growing parts of the region. But first, Metro Vancouver's crew has to carefully move this machine to the bottom of a 50-meter shaft. It's one of the heaviest items that Metro Vancouver's engineers have ever had to lift. Making things more complicated, the shaft was purposely built to be only a tiny bit larger than the tunnel boring machine itself.
The project didn't have a lot of options to create a larger shaft or a large enough shaft for the machine. We had to do a lot of drawings and sketches and engineering on the front end to ensure that we would indeed be able to fit the machine down the shaft.
Just rigging the machine takes hours of precise work so the crane can safely lift and then lower the machine. Because of the immense weight, counterweights are added onto the back of the crane to prevent it from tipping over while hoisting the machine into the air. First, they perform a test lift to confirm that all calculations are correct. The actual lift is still to come, but the crew are able to relax a bit. Lowering the tunnel boring machine down the 50-meter shaft takes a full 2 hours.
Well, it looked like it barely fit because it did barely fit. The machine had maybe about a half meter of clearance all the way around at all the tightest points.
Months of planning went into this successful move. But this is just the front end of what will eventually be a 130-meter long machine. As it starts to dig the water supply tunnel, many meters of additional equipment will be added to the back.
Great weight, no pun intended, off everyone's shoulders here.
The water supply tunnel is expected to be operational in 2028.